To our blog post here about Zillow and the amazing resources it has, not only for the real estate market, but specifically real estate investors. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of some really good resources to look at the comps of different properties that you may be purchasing or researching, or even just to find the value of a property maybe you currently own. So anyway, we're going to start here. This is the home page, and I've already put in an address of a pretend home, an investment home that is for sale. So we're going to go here. I'm just going to go ahead and click search after I've put the address in. Now you can search based on city, based on zip code, based on the name of a neighborhood. So it does not have to be a specific address search. If you're just looking for comparable homes in a certain area, you can definitely do that. But we're going to, for the case of this, go ahead and look at a specific address. So once we put in our address, it's going to bring up our property. And it's going to show all the, kind of the grid map, the other properties around it. It's going to highlight our property here where it fits on the grid map. This is great. You can just briefly take a look here. It shows the value of the property based on the Zestimate. The Zestimate is Zillow's estimate of a value based on their own calculations and algorithms and such. So you can look and see what the Zestimate of this home is and just look around comparable, what the neighborhood prices are. So we want to look a little bit closer to find out, say we're buying this property for $35,000 here. That's what it sold for, actually just recently. So based on this estimate of being almost $64,000, and we bought it for $35,000, well, that looks pretty good. But of course we know that we need to do a little bit more research. So let's go ahead and click on the property here. And what this is going to do, it's going to just take us into the specifics of the property. So we see we've got 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,400 square feet, lot size, the year it was built, last sold, description of the property letting us know just like a real estate listing would be. As you scroll down, it's going to give you the Zestimate again of around $64,000. What that's done lately, what a rental amount, possibly could be. Now again, these are not fixed prices, so we definitely want to do our research. This is just a graph here that's going to show you where the housing market pricing has been. The dark solid line is this home, and the dotted line is this, it's for this city is Phoenix. So it just shows where this home is relative to the rest of the market. Again, you've got price history here showing it when it was listed, sold, tax history, and then just some more fun tools here. So a great option here is, let's go back one page. Okay. Actually, I'm sorry. We're going to go back forward. So we see what this property, the one that we're interested in, we see everything here on one page. You can get this information all over the internet, going to several different pages, but Zillow is going to put it all into one page for you. So a great feature of this site, once you're in the property page and you scroll down, you're going to see similar homes for sale. So we're going to just go ahead and click here, see listings near this property. So we want to see what homes are for sale in the area and what they're selling for. So it's going to give you again the map showing the location, but we're interested over here. So we are looking at what is a 4-bedroom. Let's go back and just look here again. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and almost 1,500 square feet. So we're going to come over here and take a look. Okay, we've got 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, almost 1,600 square feet, for 130, it's estimate 115. So we're just going to kind of scroll down. Here's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath for 70. Little less square feet. That one has quite a bit more square footage on that one. Here's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath for 1,300 square feet for, listed for 109's estimate of 79. So as you can see, you can go through and compare, you want to stay near the same bedroom, same bath, same comps. So within, a couple hundred square feet, a bedroom or two, you just want to see if we purchased this house for $35,000, did some repairs on it and turn around to sell it, could we, if we put $10,000 into it, how much could we make? Well, we'd have $45,000, and it looks like, a lot of these homes are going for $75,000, about $70,000. So we're looking at a pretty good return on investment there. Now, the other option that we want to look at as well, we're going to go back here and let's take a look. The houses that we just looked at are ones currently for sale that we found here. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can look at nearby similar sales. So what has sold recently in the neighborhood and what did it sell for? So this is a great tool to see what's selling, what isn't, and right in our area, our area, our size, all of that. So let's take a look here. Let's find a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. This would be a very good comparable property. Sold for $81,000. Oh, here's a really good. Here's $83,000. 4 bedrooms, $80,000. Okay, so just based on that, we'll scroll down. You'll want to look through, more than just a few here like we're doing. But it gives you the idea of what you can do to go through and look at these different properties, compare them to what is in the area and what you could possibly get with a little bit of renovation and flip, turning this property around. $35,000 isn't a bad price. Based on that quick little comp there. Now you definitely need to do your due diligence, and as we know as investors, you need to definitely research a little bit more than a few points here on Zillow. But this gives you an idea of a few great features that Zillow has to offer. Not only do you get all of the information on your property that you would have to go scour other websites for, but you can also compare it to others around the area. So that is our little review there, and I'm hoping you're enjoying the posts. And communicate with us, like us on Facebook, email us, let us know what you want to hear, sites that you want to see reviewed. If you have a new site or know of a new one, let us know. We always are on the scour to bring the best resources to you guys. So thanks for following, and we'll talk to you soon.